Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm gonna be going out with Kevin, and we're gonna be just pretty much driving around, and we're gonna be taking some pictures, and for sure we're doing pulls today. I mean, you can't tell when I bring this thing with me. We're gonna have a lot of fun. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Like I said in my last video, ever since I did the valve adjustment, the car it's running great. So we'll see today. I'm gonna be doing a few pulls and probably race Kevin. So I don't know. We'll see how everything goes. So just stay tuned. All right. So we actually stayed at his house for a little bit. We were charging the cameras and stuff, and thinking about where we were gonna go. But guess where we're going now? That's right. Get gas, because I never fucking have gas. But yeah. So yeah, right now we're gonna go to get gas, and then we'll see, because Josh wanted to join us, but he wasn't ready to come with us. So I'm gonna go get gas, and then I'm gonna call him to see if he's gonna come or not. Some spots that we were just talking about, and then from there we'll see what we do. So just stay tuned. Hopefully we can go to some pulls later after we take some pictures. So, but I'll definitely do some pulls by myself if not. Crazy now. It's not even 5. just getting gas, and I don't know why, but my PSI just keeps dropping ever since it got hot again. So I don't know. I'm hoping it's just that it's warm outside, but yeah. Well, we're gonna go on the highway, and I'm gonna try to get around with Josh to see if the valves made a difference, so we can compare. So this is probably gonna be the last pull I'm gonna do. I did?
Yo, like a big flame out of both exhausts. It was like, oh,
you're lying.
Like dead ass.
That means it's running right. It's
like, yeah.
it's not rich.
Yo, it was fucking sick.
So that F-type, he went and I went behind him and he was just like pulling slowly, and I know he was going because he redlined it, like he fucked up the shift and he went and I'm like, oh, like I was keeping up. Sick. Hopefully I can get a video of that sometime. Man. It's got hot again. So when it gets colder, it's probably gonna feel even better. It's been really hot today, like hot. So I'll try it again whenever it gets colder. So now I'm gonna go home. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the video and the pulls and the short runs. So next video, it's for sure me and Kevin, we're gonna be testing something out to see if it does a difference on his car to make it a little faster. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for next video, and thanks for watching again, and I'll see you guys next time.